Hello friends, this is Neha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Innisfree Jeju Blossom Tone Up Cream, the most restocked item of 2019 in South Korea. It had such hype created around it that I had to buy it. Now come with me on the review train and let's find out, is it worth it or not? The product claims that make your complexion bright and radiant with this cherry blossom infused cream. Its lightweight texture absorbs into skin, providing long-lasting moisture. Highly versatile formula can also be mixed with foundation for a dewy makeup finish. Main ingredients are Jeju cherry blossom leaf extract and natural betaine from sugar beet. It is recommended to apply in the morning, and don't forget to cleanse your face at night as it has titanium dioxide in it and it can block pores if not cleansed at night. The packaging is pink like cherry blossoms. The tub is of plastic and the tub design is very Innisfree, and I love the pastel pink. You can see the expiry date here. The cap seems like of cheap plastic. The cap has these dots on it and I don't know how do I feel about it. So let's open it. It has plastic seal around it and a cardboard lid on it. Once we remove the lid, you guys can see the beautiful pink cream that has lotion-like texture. The fragrance is mild and it smells like cherry blossom. Now let's apply it on my hand. It's very easy to blend. A little goes long way, so apply it in little amount because it has watery texture and it spreads evenly. Look at the difference. My right hand is the tone up cream one. The effect is so natural. Now I'm going to try it on myself. I have already done my basic skincare and that's how I look. Use this cream before a sunblock. I am using this cream after the serum because this cream is already hydrating, but it's better to use a serum before it. So after you have done your skincare, then apply the cream on your face and look how pigmented it is. Now as I'm blending the cream into my skin, you guys can see my forehead is brightening. I'm not a fan of tone up creams as I have big face, and as tan I make myself, it actually makes my face appear slim. My forehead looks so different from my face. Now tone up creams are for people with uneven skin tone, or if you have a darker foundation, it helps it match your skin. Even if you have pigmentation around your face, a product like this can be a lifesaver. I'm massaging my face upwards as I have to do makeup after this and I want my face to appear slimmer. My neck has always been tan than my face and I use tone up creams to match my neck to my face. Don't you guys think that this product is looking very natural on my face? Don't forget the neck ever, especially with tone up creams. Look at my face now. This product is very hydrating and brightens the skin tone very naturally. Its texture is like lotion, so it blends into the skin nicely without making your dead skin prominent. You can use tone up cream as your base when you want to go foundation free. It is best to apply thinly on your skin and then build coverage long if you want more brightened effect. It has powder in it, which is a makeup ingredient, so one needs to cleanse before sleeping. This cream doesn't has SPF in it, while all tone up creams being released these days have SPF in it. So overall it's a good product and I will recommend it. I will rate it 4/5, and here I have done my makeup over tone up cream and it didn't create any problem under the makeup. In fact, it looked good. This is Neha Junsu signing off. Bye.